Hello everyone, I'm Patrick Wood and today we're talking about data journalism in 3 minutes. So, start the timer. So far we've talked about crowdsourcing through social media, whistleblowers and leaked documents all as potential sources for journalists to find their stories. But today we're going to look at another approach and see what you can expose by using big data. Now this is something we see in articles almost every day. From budget information to reader polls, it's really important to consider how data can be used to add to your stories. And whereas these other sources can provide you with more qualitative information, which is very useful for elaborating out a story and providing personal insights, data provides hard, quantitative evidence, which can use to very easily compare A against B and spot trends. One of the big advantages of data is this ability to spot those larger trends, which individual sources may not talk about in an interview or even be personally aware of. However, the inverse is also true. Because this data is presented in an aggregated form, it only shows the big picture. It can't be very easily turned around to examine the experiences of an individual set within the story. So now, let's take a quick look at some of the tools journalists have available to analyse datasets and visualise a story. The most simple tool we have at our disposal are spreadsheet programs like Excel. With this, we can take a big data set and sort, filter it, perform calculations and present them visually. For other types of data, more specialised tools may be required. GIS software can be used to place your data out on a map and help visually locate these incidences more clearly. And where more in-depth analysis is required, we may need to turn to an advanced program like R to provide our analysis. However, what's more important are the issues journalists need to keep in mind while working with data, such as maintaining transparency. While drilling down through data to make it look nice and accessible is very useful for the story, as journalists, it's our goal to open up information to the audience. So it's vital that readers know where your source is, especially when you're working online, where this can be as simple as providing a link in the description. Now, that's how journalists make use of big data in under 3 minutes. And here's a question for you to consider. Is quantitative data like this more or less valuable than qualitative sources to tell your story? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you all next week for our final episode of the series to discuss PR spin. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!